for master level sports, I'm talking NFL players, people that they don't care how much it costs. They want the best of the best performance that they can possibly be. I mean, when just say marathon runners, when that split second makes that 1 second makes a difference. I mean,
exactly.
That peak performance.
5% will take you from 20th place to the first place. Yeah. Well.
Or even second place to first place. I mean, a lot of them, they complain, they get winded. They get winded easy. They want to get their endurance. I'm talking like.
Well, here's the thing. You can use hyperbaric chamber as a means of recovery from training, right? Because when you put out energy, when you train hard, you are actually creating a hypoxic or low oxygen situation in your muscles, and you're producing lactic acid. And to reverse that, you put yourself in a hyperbaric chamber and you recover way quicker. So when you do that, you can train harder. You can go back to exercise sooner. So you're going to be able to put in more exercise time because you will recover quicker.
Let me ask you this.
So that's number one.
If someone's, just say right before a game or a marathon, right when they get out of the chamber, I mean, after about 4 hours, it kind of wears off. But right when they get out, I mean, would you say they should be warm in there while they're doing it, or would you say they should? Just say someone's about to play a game. Should they be warm while they're in there, or go in cold, with the cooler and everything, or should they have an infrared mat, to heat their core up, or like what do you think?
I don't know that it would make any difference. They will need to warm up for their sports event anyway. So, I mean, if they have the ability to come out of the chamber straight into the starting line, then they should warm up.
Should they warm up in the chamber? There's some 46-inch chambers. They can stretch. They have room to do everything. And there's vertical chambers. They can do exercise, HBOT. I mean, should they do it while they're in there and warm up?
Mark, how do they transport it to the event? How do they get it to wherever they are performing?
I mean, just say they're there already. Okay, I'm sorry,
well,
what?
If it's there, I mean, if it's on their stadium, on their home field, where they have access to all the facility, awesome. I mean, do it as close to the event as you possibly can, and warm up.
But I'm saying, would you recommend warming up while you're in there and burning oxygen and
you bet.
So with an infrared pad and not just hyperbaric chamber and have a cooler and staying cool and everything else?
Well, it just depends how close you are to the event itself. Like, if you're able to get out of the chamber and get on the field inside of 5 minutes, absolutely use the heating pad. You want to be warm.
I mean, if they get out of the chamber and then they warm up for 20 or 10 minutes, 20 minutes, however long they warm up for and stretch, it's better to do that in there, do two things at once. That's what I'm saying.
That's exactly what I'm agreeing with.